Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Thrifty and Organized Life 2. Thank you for all the new subscribers coming to the channel. I really do appreciate that. That's super awesome. And I thought I would give you guys some love and share this video with you. If you're new here, subscribe. If you're not, great. I'm so glad you're back. So let's get started. So I thought I would do a video because, you know, spring cleaning is coming. It's the first of the year. I've always kept the top of my fridge clean, I thought. And you know, quite frankly, I haven't really accessed it too much except for a few little things up there. So I thought I would clean it because I think it's probably really dusty. And who knows how many times we've used anything up there. So let's go shopping on top of my refrigerator and see what I have on top of my refrigerator. It is what's on top of my refrigerator. Okay, so here is the top of the fridge, guys. I have a couple of baskets. And it doesn't look too bad, but I really feel that we have not accessed much up here. And it's funny because I had just made a smoothie the other day and I was like telling my husband, don't we have another one? Where is that thing? Guess what? It's right there. Yeah. Okay, so we do have the doggy pills and stuff up here. I'm gonna redo this. I had made this. I even labeled it for each doggy, but it's getting a little outgrown, so I'm going to update that. Has their aspirin if they need it, has their heartworm pills, stuff like that. Oh, there's my other egg carton thing from the Dollar Tree. See that? Okay, what else do we got up here? Some kind of mug. It's like a thermos for soup. He got this from when he was with his job. They gave it to him or something. And yeah, so there's that. And in here I have a basket that has holders, like, you know, water canisters. They're dusty. Look at that dust, guys. And this was given to me by a friend. You know, it's the breast cancer awareness, cut from Dutch Bros. Let's see, we have that. Okay, we got this one. These are the cheap kinds. They're not that great. I don't think we should keep that. Plus, I don't really like drinking out of them. It tastes funny to me. I don't like the taste. This one, I'm not sure why we have that. I think it was part of a lunch pail or something. This one's a really good one. We'll keep that. Of course, we'll wash them. Oh, here's the big papa to that. See? Okay. Oh, and we have a refrigerator, what do you call it? Filter for the water, for the refrigerator, the water in there. Okay, so that goes in here. We'll go through that, dust it out, see what we want to keep, we don't want to keep, and then I will also figure out how to you know, kind of give it an uplift. Think about that. And then in here we have his Endura Cool Towel, the one you hit and it turns cool. And this is that other one, that's the big one for the Ninja. So you want to make smoothies. What else do we have in there? I better be careful with that. Let me see. Is there anything in there? Oh, no. Okay, so there's not much in there. So we do use those. If we remember they're up there, huh? Okay, and let's see what's over there. Alright, so sometimes I forget we have these when it's Christmas time. I have Christmas tins, you know, plates for chips and stuff. Okay. Tin. Shish kebab or marshmallows. What else is in there? Oh, and a really cool plate that's totally dusty. Wow. But you can put stuff in there. I like that. I like to keep that actually. Actually, I like to keep everything up here. I think I'll just change out the baskets and kind of just update things. So I'll keep you, I'll keep you posted.